IELTS Writing Task 2 is all about writing an essay. You're given a topic and you have to write an essay on it. But you can't just simply start without a structure in mind. A lot depends on how you are structuring your essays in IELTS, and today we'll be discussing the same. Hi there, this is Purti Chawla. Welcome back to Leverage IELTS, brought to you by Leverage Edu, your trusted study abroad expert. IELTS writing section lasts for 60 minutes or task 2 mein it is recommended that you spend about 40 minutes and write at least 250 words. Writing task 2 mein there are 5 types of essays. First, advantage and disadvantage. Second, we have the discussion essay, then opinion essay, double question essay, and finally problem solution essay. However, the basic structure for all remains the same. Every IELTS writing task 2 essay is divided into at least 4 parts. Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. Every question that you receive starts off with a statement and is followed by what is asked of you. Let's take an example here. Some people believe that preserving the natural environment is crucial. However, most make no effort to do so. Why do you think this is happening? What are some simple actions that could help the environment? We see that question की शुरुआत में एक statement है और statement के बाद आपसे 2 questions पूछे गए हैं. Which type of essay it is can be understood from this question statement. Spoiler alert, this is a double question essay. Now let's start with the introduction. In the introduction, there are 2 parts, paraphrasing plus thesis. We paraphrase the question, state our opinion, and give a thesis statement. What do I mean by all this? Let's take it one by one. Let's come to our sample again. Now, paraphrasing refers to restating and rewriting the question in our own words. तो आप try करें to mention the keywords of the question but avoid using the same vocabulary. After this, there will be a thesis statement. It is basically answering the question in brief, stating the main point of your essay. Thesis statement reader को ये बताती है कि हम किस बारे में essay में बात करने वाले हैं. We keep a few pointers in mind लेकिन Make sure आपकी thesis statement essay का main idea ही convey करे. Thesis statement introduction के end में आना चाहिए. End में रखने से आपको introduction और body paragraphs में एक link भी मिल जाता है. आप जिस बारे में essay में बात करेंगे वही information thesis statement में included होनी चाहिए. For example, अगर आप advantage disadvantage essay attempt कर रहे हैं तो आपकी thesis statement में वो advantages और disadvantages stated होने चाहिए. Take a look at the introduction on the screen. Now coming to the body paragraphs. The body of an essay in any IELTS writing task 2 is generally divided into 2 parts. Body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. क्योंकि हम हमेशा 2 points पे ही focus करते हैं. कुछ cases में आप 3 paragraphs तक भी increase कर सकते हैं when they separately ask you for your opinion. अब body paragraphs में अगर हम अपने sample के बारे में बात करें, so you will provide the reader with the answers to both the question in separate paragraphs. लेकिन सिर्फ point state करने से हम ना तो word limit justify कर पाएंगे और ना ही essay के purpose को. Therefore, in each body paragraph, once you have stated the topic sentence, which is your main idea, explain it. For the explanation, you will use supporting arguments as well as examples. So in our sample, the first paragraph answers the first question, the why. Why do you think this is happening? Once you have explained it in detail and given appropriate examples to support our answer, we move on to the second paragraph where we will answer the what part of the question. What are some simple actions that could help the environment? Again, हमें इसे भी अच्छे से example के साथ ही explain करना है. After the body paragraphs comes the conclusion. Conclusion में हमें कुछ भी extra नहीं लिखना. हमें अपने essay को summarize करना है and again अपना opinion state करना है. Writing task 2 में important होता है 3 चीज़ों पर focus करना. Introduction, body and conclusion. And you've got to follow this structure. At least write 250 words to get to a good band score. Remember, your introduction and conclusion should give readers a good idea about what is going on in your essay. ताकि अगर वो सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन पढ़ते हैं तो उन्हें ऐसे के बारे में एक अच्छा आइडिया मिल जाए. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको ऐसे का स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर कंटेंट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू Follow this structure while practicing your writing answers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to make sure that you're notified of all the upcoming videos.